Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Lipon. Today I have taken a lesson from English class 9, page number 17. Without much further ado, let's get started. First word is Procession. Two hyphen, that means three division, that means three syllable, trisyllable. Okay? How to pronounce it with the help of IPA symbol. P, ra, a, sound, sh, n. Procession. This one, stress mark over s. That's why procession. Okay, we have to pronounce it off and on, and it is used as noun. What is the meaning of the word? A line of people or vehicles that move along slowly, especially as part of a ceremony. Okay, and what is the sentence? How to make a sentence with the help of procession. The procession made its way down the hill. This is the sentence. Okay? And what is the antonym of procession? Retreat. Okay? I think it would be better if you take a pen and paper with you. Next word, profound. Profound. Okay? Profound. And one hyphen, that means two syllable, dissyllable. How to pronounce it? Sound, schwa sound. Ow. This one diphthong, na, da. And stress mark over f. That's what we have to say. Profound. Okay? It is used as an adjective. What is the meaning of profound? Very great, or felt or experienced very strongly. Okay? You can use both of them. How to use it in a sentence? My father's death had a profound effect on us all. Okay? My father's death had a profound effect on us all. What is the antonym? Mind of profound. Okay? Initiative. How to pronounce it? Okay? Initiative. Initiative. Okay? And here we can see two hyphen, that means three syllable, trisyllable. This has trisyllable. Okay? Initiative. It is used as noun. What is the meaning of this word? A new plan for achieving a particular purpose. Okay? A new plan for achieving a particular purpose. How to use it in a sentence? You won't get much help. You will have to use your initiative. You won't get much help. You will have to use your initiative. And what is the antonym of initiative? Unimaginativeness. Unimaginativeness. Next word, Procaching. One hyphen, that means two syllable, dissyllable. How to pronounce it? Oh, this is diphthong. Chaw sound, diphthong, ing. Poaching. And it is used as verb. What is the meaning? Something that is actually your responsibility. Okay, the meaning of poaching. And what is the sentence with the help of poaching? I hope I'm not poaching on your territory. Okay. Now the word is Additionnally. Okay. We can see 1, 2, 3. 3 hyphen. That means 4 syllable. Polysyllable. Okay. What is the pronunciation of this word? A, D, E, sh, a, na, a sound. This one, reverse E, it looks like reverse E. It is called shaw sound. La, E. Additionally. Okay. This one, just a little bit. You will not pronounce it for a long time. Additionally. Okay. And it is used as adverb. What is the meaning? More than was first mentioned or is usual. Okay? How to use it in a sentence? Additionally, the bus service will run on Sundays every 2 hours. What is the antonym? Exclusively. This is the antonym of additionally. Okay? Now, the word is intricate. Intricate. Two hyphen, that means three syllable, trisyllable. How to pronounce it? Intricate. I is N, okay? I, this one E sound. In, T, Ra, E, Ka, E, T. Intricate. Okay? Stress mark over T, that's why we have to say intricate. And it is used as an adjective. What is the meaning of the word? Having a lot of different pearls and small details that fit together. Okay? And how to use it in a sentence. It was a beautiful ornament, antique brass with an intricate design. And what is the antonym? Simple. Okay? Simple is the antonym of intricate. Okay? INAUGURATE. Okay? 1, 2, 3. 3 hyphen, that means 4 division, 4 syllable. Polysyllable. Okay? How to pronounce it? Ina, o, ga, ya, ra, a, ta. This one diphthong. Okay? Inaugurate. Inaugurate. Okay? It is used as verb. And how to use it in a sentence? First, we have to know what is the word meaning. To introduce a new public official or leader at a special ceremony. This is the meaning of the word. And what is the sentence? He will be inaugurated as president in August. He will be inaugurated as president in August. This one, IMMENSE. Okay? 1 hyphen, that means 2 syllable, disyllable. How to pronounce it? Immense. And the stress mark over M, that's why we have to say immense. Immense. And it is used as an adjective. What is the meaning of the word? Extremely large or great to be done. What is the next sentence? Okay. There is still an immense amount of work to be done. This is the make sentence with the help of this word. There is still an immense amount of work to be done. And what is the antonym? Tiny. Tiny is the antonym of immense. DISTINGUISH. Okay, 2 hyphen. That means 3 syllable. Trisyllable. Okay. What is the pronunciation of the word? Da, I, sa, ta, I, ing, ga, wa sound, I, sha sound. Okay, distinguish. Distinguish. And the stress mark over S, that's why we have to say distinguish. Distinguish. This is used as verb. What is the meaning of the word? To recognize the difference between two people or things. In that time, we use this word. And what is the sentence with the help of distinguish? It was hard to distinguish one twin from the other. Okay? It was hard to distinguish one twin from the other. What is the antonym of the word? Ignore. Okay? The antonym of distinguish is ignore. DEMONSTRATE. 2 hyphen, that means 3 syllable, trisyllable. Demonstrate. Okay? How to pronounce it with the help of IPA? Da, ma, na, t, ra, a, t. A, this one diphthong. Demonstrate. Okay? And it is used as verb. What is the meaning of the word? To show something clearly by giving proof or evidence. And how can we make sentence with the help of this word? the theories were demonstrated to be false. The theories were demonstrated to be false. What is the antonym of the word? The antonym of demonstrate, hide. Okay, hide is the antonym of demonstrate. The last word of this lesson, contemporary. Okay, this one, two, three. 3 hyphen. Okay, that's why it has 4 division, 4 syllable. That means polysyllable. Okay, and how to pronounce it? Ka, ana, ta, e, ma, pa, ra, a, ra, e. Contemporary. Contemporary. The stress mark over T, that's what we have to say, contemporary. Contemporary. Okay, and what it is used as an adjective. What is the meaning of the word? Belonging to the same time. Okay, contemporary means belonging to the same time. And what is the sentence with the help of contemporary? We have no contemporary account of the battle. Okay, we have no contemporary account of the battle. What is the antonym of the word old fashioned? Old fashioned is the antonym of contemporary. Okay, in my teaching life, I have observed that the students do not like to memorize the words. Okay, that's why I have taken this initiative to help them to learn more words for their syllabus. Okay, that's it for today. Stay connected for more. Till then, bye bye. See you. Adios.